Hello everyone, and welcome to Sentimental Journey 2023. I'm Ben Coleman, your anchor host here for the event for the Florida Aviation Network. Obi Young and all the crews that helped put this on together is remarkable, and we hope you enjoy, almost like you were here. But please make it a point to come to Sentimental Journey. Sentimental Journey is where the Cubs all come home. They're all born right here on this field. This is a wannabe Cub here, this Waco. Just got in from Lakeland, Florida, of all places. So we come in from all over the world here. And this is the beginning, and I have been told that I'm outstanding in my field because I'm out standing in the middle of a field. So there you go, and we will be up there in the tower. Hopefully that didn't give everybody a head buzz. We'll be in the tower helping folks get situated, help them park, and get them set up for camping. So we'll see you at an interview. We'll have a lot to see.